I am very proud of our collective journey over the past few years that has put global health at the top of the international priority list because it is vital, it's in our collective interest to protect ourselves. And it is something that has been led in rich countries, and it's about partnership in the genuine sense of the term. It's not assistance, because if we do not protect continents that are affected by pandemics, then the whole world will be affected. Now, we're often told that multilateralism and cooperation are in retreat, that nationalism, cynicism, and self-interest are triumphing over the values of solidarity and justice. But seeing this wonderful room today, I see a very different picture. What do I see? I see faces of people that have worked together to halve child mortality over the past 20 years.
Africa has the local production capacity for vaccines, and some pioneering countries have committed on this way, such as Senegal with the Pasteur Institute of Dakar. This institute was created a century ago and has 100 years experience in the production of vaccines.
Ladies and gentlemen, vaccines work. We saw this during the COVID-19 pandemic, and it is also reflected in Gavi's impressive results in the last decade. 1 billion children have been vaccinated since 2000, saving at least 17 million lives.
The launch of the African Vaccine Manufacturing Accelerator will help ensure that vaccine production in Africa has a secure future. Last December, BioNTech inaugurated in Rwanda the first end-to-end mRNA production facility on our continent.
We now have a short video message from the First Lady of the United States of America, Dr. Jill Biden.
We often tell young people that they're our future, and it's true, but they're also our present. They have ideas they want to explore now, innovation they want to create now, change they want to make now. That's true of the young people I meet in the United States, and it's true around the world. And we need to do everything we can to make sure that they can keep reaching for those dreams now.
Today, a child born in a Gavi-supported country has a much higher chance of making it to their 5th birthday. Thanks to the power of immunization, the number of childhood deaths from vaccine-preventable diseases has fallen by 70% since 2000.
I think my proudest moment was 2011, when Britain hosted, under my Prime Ministership, the first big Gavi pledging conference. And at that conference, we pledged £814 million, at the time, the biggest ever donation to Gavi.
The Deputy Prime Minister of Italy and Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation to come to the stage. Deputy Prime Minister, the floor is yours.
Italian commitment to Africa is a priority. As you know, we have already organized an Italy-Africa summit.
Among the founders of Gavi. So we've been there from the beginning, accompanying you, supporting this initiative, because we believe in it. And since then, our work together has been producing the results that we have seen.
People often ask me to name the best investment I've ever made. And the answer is very simple. It's the funding the Gates Foundation has given to Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance. Gavi is the Gates Foundation's single largest grantee. Alongside with partners, we helped found it in the year 2000, the same year that the Gates Foundation was started.
This movement, I give the floor to Dr. Tripathi, CEO of Atlantic Life Science Limited. Over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. The Excellency, the President of Ghana, the Board Chairman, Gavi, and the CEO, Gavi, the ambassadors, the DG Africa CDC, heads of international organizations and partners.
Atlantic Life Sciences Limited, together with Innovax, is pleased to announce a strategic collaboration with Innovax Biotech to locally produce the HPV vaccine in Ghana. This partnership aligns with the new Gavi AVMA, African Vaccine Manufacturing Accelerator program, which aims to enhance vaccine manufacturing in Africa. As part of this collaboration, Atlantic Life Sciences Limited and Innovax Biotech will localize part of the production of the HPV vaccine at Atlantic facility and advancing for WHOP qualifications. The government of Ghana is fully supportive of local manufacturing and has established a National Vaccine Institute to provide the necessary assistance. In parallel to this tech transfer, Ghana's Food and Drugs Authority aims to rapidly complete its journey towards WHO Maturity Level 3 for vaccine production. This collaboration between Atlantic Life Sciences and Innovax Biotech represents a significant milestone in the global effort to eliminate cervical cancer. By establishing an African pipeline for the HPV vaccine, the partnership will protect the women's health and advance the goal of eradicating cervical cancer. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I'll hear from Dr. Baik, CEO of U Biologics. Please, come join us.
Thank you for introduction. It's a great honor for me to be here, good forum. U Biologics is proud to be a leading global supplier of cholera vaccines. Our new cholera vaccine, Ubicol-S, developed in partnership with the International Vaccine Institute, was pre-qualified in April this year.
I am pleased to participate in this game-changing event aimed at promoting health across Africa. And let me thank France for hosting it.
Our strength is to unite our voices and efforts to change this intolerable situation. I would like to highlight the fact that in spite of the importance of this international event, Africa must find solutions for itself. Indeed, health.
Thanks to this event for the replenishment of the Gavi Fund. And I would like to thank my friend Jose Manuel Barroso and my friend Sania for the work they have done to develop the strategic 2025-2030 plan, which is the basis of our work.
Gavi and the Global Fund are more than partners. We are like siblings, brothers and sisters in the fight to save lives, defeat diseases, and help countries build stronger, more resilient, and more inclusive health systems.
Yes. It's an honor to address the Global Forum for Vaccine Sovereignty and Innovation. Today, we stand at the threshold of a transformative moment in global health, a moment that requires us to act with urgency and clarity of vision. Since its inception in the year 2000, Gavi, the Vaccine Alliance, has facilitated the immunization of over 1 billion children.
Gavi is a long-standing critical global health partner for Canada. This partnership has enabled millions of children and young people around the world to receive life-saving vaccines every year.
Gavi and WHO and other partners established COVAX to facilitate equitable access to vaccines. Together, we distributed almost 2 billion doses of vaccine to 146 countries.
I have the great honor to introduce His Excellency Mokwetsi Masisi, President of Botswana, one of Gavi's strong allies.
For co-hosting this important event, which aims to bolster sustainable vaccine production in Africa, as well as to unveil the Gavi investment opportunity for the years 2026 to 2030 period. Let me also hasten to express my sincere thanks to all the contributors who made the debate lively and insightful.
I had the pleasure of participating when Gavi was launched by WHO, UNICEF, UN partners, private industry, some more than 20 years ago. Norway was one of the founders and original 6 donors to Gavi.
Agenda. I would like to invite our final speaker, His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo, President of Ghana, to the stage. Please.
To address the closing session of the Global Forum for Vaccine Sovereignty and Innovation. Recently in Accra, Ghana's capital, we hosted the Gavi board meeting where the African Vaccine Manufacturing Accelerator was approved. This initiative by Gavi and the Africa CDC supports the African Union's goal to produce 60% of the continent's vaccines by 2040.